And oftentimes, we see our brother and sister struggling with something, so we need to have good reasoning to share certain things with it. Not compromising to the truth, but reason and help our brother and sister. We've got a purpose. We just read there, we've got a purpose. One of those purposes, we persuade men. That men is figuratively, so it's men and women, eh? Doesn't mean all women is going to heaven. It was a joke. We persuade. We need to be persuasive. How do you get persuasive? You need to know your word. You need to start seeking. Does it mean that you only can start when you know the whole word? Nope. You need to be persuasive on the first thing. Jesus Christ died, gave his life for you. He rose on the third day. And whomever believes in him and take him as his Lord and Savior will have everlasting life. That's the start. If you've got that and you can persuade somebody on that, that's all you need to start with. That's all you need to start with. Then comes the second thing. Then comes the third thing.